This is the blue snowball. Oh, okay. How about you don't vibrate next time, you little piece of... Alright? Okay. Anyway, this is the Blue Yeti audio test. Let's hope my phone does not vibrate again, because that was a little annoying. This is a test for the audio of the Blue Yeti. Or not the Blue Yeti, I'm an idiot. The blue snowball. Now, I'm going to go to the Astro A10's audio test. This is an audio recording for the Astro A10 microphone. Again, this is an audio recording for the Astro A10 microphone. You will all oh, I just got a text. I'm gonna type kill your mom XD and sent. Alright. That has been the audio test of the Astro A10s. Next will be the audio test for my normal computer microphone.
This is the audio recording for the mobile Mac computer microphone. Now, I'm about a slow and unexpected notification.